The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, Matagorda County in southeastern Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Angleton and moving east at 20 miles per hour. A second severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles northwest of Sweeney, also capable of producing quarter-sized hail. Locations impacted include Lake Jackson, Angleton, Freeport, Clute, West Columbia, Sweeney, Richwood, Brazoria, Wild Beach Village, Jones Creek, Danbury, Van Vleck, Oyster Creek, Holiday Lakes, Bailey's Prairie, Surfside Beach, Liverpool, and Quintana. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the